Mastria has been designed to answer the need to operate several modes of transportation. In our cities, we have various ways of mobility, from rail, the tramways, the metros, the suburban trains, to road, buses, taxis, shared bicycles, and passengers usually use all these various ways of transportation and they mix them all. The goal of Mastria is to coordinate all these modes of transportations and with advanced algorithm and analytics to optimize the traffic and to propose appropriate solutions to specific events. Two examples. First one, a large sport event is planned in the days to come. Mastria is able to anticipate the fact that the traffic will be modified and provide the appropriate operation during this period. Second example, we are in the metro. There is an incident in the metro, so the metro traffic is perturbated. Mastria is able to coordinate all the operations related to this event, and more than that, to adapt the traffic, the global traffic of the city, and provide alternative mobility solutions to all the passengers.